to my channel. Today's review is going to be about a platform that would give you $30 capital to invest on their own platform and earn as high as 4% interest daily. So the name of the platform is Bitlivecoin.ltd. Bitlivecoin.ltd. This is an investment platform. It's a crypto investment platform that actually want to do what is extraordinary. They want to show us another side of investment by making sure that everyone gets a certain bonus, and with this bonus you can invest. Now, from the investment you are doing with their money, you can, if you invest with $30, for example, you can make as high as $54. And the good part is that you get your returns daily. That means you can withdraw your funds daily. So this is huge, and I believe they are using this as a marketing strategy to know if people will sign up. Once you start making money, you are most likely going to invest more. So now they have a bounty program, which is you claim $30. Once you sign up, you have to go to your dashboard and claim $30. And once you claim this $30, you can invest it on the platform. I'm going to show you how. I'm going to walk you through on how to register and get your bounty and invest this bounty on the platform and start making money. As you can see here, there is an investment range of $30 to $300, and from this investment you make 4% interest for 45 days. So you are going to get 180% total return, and this is free money as far as I am concerned. So how does it work? The first thing is you have to register on the platform. You can register by just clicking on claim bounty. That's claim the $30. Once you click on claim $30, it's going to open the registration, the sign up page, and from there you have to fill it to see how it really works. But I already have an account with them, so all I'm going to do is I'm just going to sign into my account and get started with the whole thing. So let's fill this, which is a coupon here. Sorry, the captcha. So I'm trying to log in. So let me enter the email. Sorry, the correct email address. And remember me and sign in. So after signing in, I'm going to show you the dashboard, how it works and everything. So this is the platform, and as you can see, let me scroll down. It says total active investment $30. I've invested my own $30 and I'm waiting for my payment. Once this information like this actually come up, the best thing for you to do is to actually join the first set of bets that will take part in it, because after some time, most likely the bounty will stop, and after some time, most of these platforms, they don't last forever. So this is not really a financial advice. So if you like, you take it. If you like, don't take it. But I am only giving you this update because I want you to also make money online. I want to show you how easy it is to make money online. This platform is for ensuring that everybody makes good money online. So if you are seeing this platform and you want to register, please go to the description section below and sign up. Now, this is how you claim your bonus. Let me show you some things and how it works and all. So once you sign up on the platform, you would see something like this, and all you have to do is click on get bonus. Don't forget, you have to go to your spam or inbox to claim that, to activate your email. Yes, you have to show that you are human and not robot. So you have to activate there is a 2FA or OTP that will be sent to your email address. So all you have to do is activate the email, and you would go live. And once you go live, you come back to your account, then you click on get bonuses. When you click on get bonuses, you have this option. Then once you click activate it, they are going to reward you $30, and this $30 is what we're interested in, because that is what you use to invest on the platform. Now, I've done a video of how the whole thing works. So once you have the $30 in your account, what you need to do is by the right hand side, there is an arrow there. Click it and go to invest now. Now once you get to invest now, you will see the investment plans that are there. For example, the first one is between $30 to $300. Now, and the returns are stated there, total profit of $54, and it makes a whole lot of sense because since you already have free $30, all you have to do is just invest it. Now, one thing you must note, however, is that if you click on invest, it will not work. Yes, like as you are seeing right here, because that is a bonus fund. So at the top, just look at where they said pay bonus balance. That's you use your balance, that's your bonus balance, to invest. So you have to activate it as seen in this video. Once you turn it on, switch it on, and click on invest, automatically your funds will be invested and you are good to go. So as you can see right here, I have invested the fund and it is already active in my dashboard. So what I'm waiting for is just my daily interest, daily funds, and with that I'm good to go. So guys, what are you waiting for? You can see this is my dashboard, and on my dashboard, if I scroll down, you will see the investment right there. So total active investment, and that's it. One other thing is that this platform has an affiliate program, and on the affiliate program, this is my affiliate link at the top. So you can copy your affiliate link, share them with your friends, and you get more bonuses when they sign up. So they said they have an affiliate referral program, and from the referral program you can always make more money. You can make more money from when they sign up, and if you are lucky, if they also pay the platform to invest, you are going to make more money. Now, to withdraw your funds, there is a place there that says withdraw funds. So to withdraw your funds, they said the minimum withdrawal amount is $10. So you must have hit $10 before you can withdraw your funds, and your withdrawal fee is 1.5%. So, and you need to specify what platform. I will be using Doge or Tron because the rate is low, or USDT. So guys, what are you waiting for? The best thing right now and the best time to get started is now. Make sure you sign up right away so you can at least start making money online. Thanks for watching this video. If this is your first time of watching our videos, please make sure you subscribe and share this link with your friends. Thanks for watching once again, and see you next time. Bye for now.